everyone, and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're going to talk about everything related to Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at CocoaCay. Now we're going to do this in two special videos because this island is so big. Put it this way, I've been there probably about 4 times since it was rebuilt, and we still haven't explored everything that there is to explore. So this is going to be just a general overview, but before I get into all that, I must ask, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Alright, let's get to it. So, while there is a lot of free things to do on Perfect Day at CocoaCay, not everything is free. And to give you an idea of some of them, some of the extra charges are the cabanas. Those can be a couple $1,000s. However, if you're going with a big group or if you're going with kids, that might be something that you want to consider. There's also the water park, which I've never been to, so I can't say whether or not it's worth the extra charge. My favorite, which is the zip line, and Up and Away, which is their hot air balloon, and it's the highest vantage point in all of the Bahamas, so that might be worth your while if that's what you're into. Some of the restaurants also have an extra charge, however, most of the ones that they have there are free. And any shore excursions that you take, however, there's so much to do on the island, we haven't even done a shore excursion yet. So basically, the island is divided into 2 parts. There's Thrill Island, which includes the water park, and there's Chill Island. Now, Chill Island also has several different parts. In general, there's at least 7 or 8 beaches. Now, all the beaches are free, and most of the time, I spend my time over at Chill Island. There's also free snorkeling there, and you can bring your own snorkel gear if that's what you're into. I've done it every single time. A lot of people ask if there's going to be chairs available. I'll tell you, in the times that I've been there, even when there's multiple ships in port, we've never, ever had a problem finding a chair. So yes, there are plenty of chairs. There's also, which a lot of people don't realize, there's a straw market there. Now, the straw market does have an extra charge to it. However, there's not really a lot of people there, and you're going to find all kinds of stuff there, like souvenirs and things like that. But you're also going to find things like aloe or sunscreen or things that you might have forgotten on the boat. And yes, your sea pass will work there. I know this for a fact because I forgot my snorkel gear, the time before last that I was there. I forgot my snorkel gear on the ship, and I was able to use my sea pass to get brand new snorkel gear. And you're also going to have over on Chill Island, which is one of my new favorite spots, Oasis Lagoon, which has a swim-up bar. Now, Oasis Lagoon is the largest freshwater pool, I believe, in the Caribbean and possibly the world, so we'll have to check up on that. But this thing is huge, and it's never, ever crowded. There's music going on. In fact, for those of you that like to swim underwater, if you go under the water there, you're going to find that they play music there, which is really, really awesome. And of course, Chill Island has the aforementioned cabanas. However, I have never been in one of the cabanas, so I can't really say much to that. However, from what I've seen, they look really nice. The other part of of Perfect Day is the Thrill Water Park. Now, this does have an extra charge to it. However, it also has Daredevil's Tower. Daredevil's Tower is the tallest water slide in the Americas, and from what I'm told, it can be seen from everywhere in the Bahamas. They also have the largest wave pool there and the aforementioned Up and Away, which all that has an extra charge with it. You'll also find that they have free dining there, like I said before. Your drink passes do work on the island. Yes, they do. So, for example, I always get the soda package, and our sea passes are always accepted there. However, if you wanted to buy an alcoholic drink and you don't have the alcoholic package or any package, you can buy an alcoholic drink there, and you'll still get one of the souvenir cups, which is really, really cool. They also have one of the largest buffets I've ever seen. It's over on Chill Grill, I think is what it's called. And there's all kinds of stuff there. There's taco salads, there's regular salads, there's your hamburgers and your cheeseburgers, and there's even ice cream there. So I would definitely check that out. And it's right on the shore. So you're going to have fantastic views of everything if you choose to go there. There's also a kids' water park, which is absolutely free, and it's got a couple slides on it. However, Sophie tried it last time we were there, and we found out it's really aimed at the younger kids, so she did have a decent time on there. However, because she's a little bit on the older side, she probably would have preferred to go to Thrill Water Park. Now, you remember I also said that they have some restaurants there that are extra charges. Those are Captain Jack's and the Cocoa Beach Club. Now, the Cocoa Beach Club, if you decide that that's what you want to do, that is included in your admission. And from what I'm told, if you go to Captain Jack's and you ask for a special sandwich, you might get a little bit of a surprise. So I've never tried it. I've heard people trying it. So if I get the chance to, I probably will try it and see how it is. Now, there's also a zip line, as I mentioned before. I've been on the zip line probably, I think, twice at this point. There is an extra charge, and it'll be probably the same as the water park, which is roughly about $100. However, on Black Friday sales, you can often find it for about $60-$70. Now, the zip line includes all 3 lines. Time-wise, it's probably about 45 minutes. So you might want to take that into consideration. And if you have heart problems or any sort of physical condition like that, you might want to be leery of the fact that you will be carrying your own zipline gear throughout the entire excursion. And if you want, I'm going to try to include it in my next video, or in my next couple of videos, I should say, a point of view of what it's like to go on the zip line. So stay tuned for that. And we also have Up and Away, which is pictured here. It's the hot air balloon, and this was actually taken from my cabin on the ship. Now, there is an extra charge here, and you do get fantastic views from what I'm told. I've never actually tried it, but this is on mine and Sophie's bucket list. So we'll have to see how that goes. And that's just about it. So, like I said, there will be a part 2 of this video coming in a couple weeks to include some of the new experiences that we'll probably be having when we go there in about little more than a month. So again, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We really appreciate it. And as always, bon voyage!